What's up, everybody? Today's gonna meet you guys with a video of bad tie rods. If you get a little clunk, or you do a steering wheel, as you can see, a lot of play in this right here. Left this in there too, right here, obviously, because I thought this would have been good. But also took out all that grease in there, so made it all clunky compared to this one right here. You can see it wouldn't even move. I installed this one already. This one was for this one, it was a bad one. Because every time I kept moving my steering wheel, like slowly, it kept clunking. So that's what your tie rods are going to be doing right here. It's what bad tie rods. These are brand new, but it's because I never did pretty much the engine mounts, transmission mounts, the lower mounts. I did it kind of all late, and then I decided to go ahead and put these on. Long story short, these ended up giving out early because I didn't do an alignment. I didn't do my engine mounts and everything.